Connecticut's Back to School Authority is sponsored by Yale New Haven Children's Hospital, one of the best in the nation.
Channel 3 is Connecticut's Back to School Authority, and right now one Yale professor wants everyone to expect that life will be very different on college campuses in our state. She warns students to expect widespread infections and even deaths, and now her message has gone viral. Channel 3's Roger Susanna joins us. He's live on Yale's campus with more on this powerful message. And Roger, I know some students have read it and already opted out of the semester.
Yeah, Eric, students are definitely taking this message very, very seriously. You could say it's a pretty dire warning, but Professor Laurie Santos, who's a psychology professor here at Yale and is a very well-respected voice in mental health on this campus, says she really just wants people to know what to expect when and if they return to campus during a pandemic. Let's get right to Professor Santos's exact words. She warns students that you should emotionally prepare for the fact that your residential college life will look more like a hospital unit than a residential college. And we all should be emotionally prepared for widespread infections and possibly deaths in our community. Santos penned this dire warning to let students know what they can expect when they return to campus at the end of the month. Yale is already asking students to sign a contract that requires them to get tested regularly, agree to contact tracing, quarantine for 2 weeks if infected or exposed, wear a mask, not attend or host large gatherings, and not leave campus until Thanksgiving break. Santos says everyone is at risk, especially staff members, and warns that the campus community should expect some spaces will have to be transformed into medical suites for weekly COVID testing. One student, Yale senior Sarah Sotomayor, says Santos's letter led her to take the semester off.
Increased risk that comes with students coming back to campus and students gathering in these spaces, and also just like classes online aren't the same. I tried them this summer. It's pretty tough.
Now, obviously, college leaders are taking the COVID threat seriously. In fact, here at Yale, college leaders expect to try to create a bubble environment, but they admit that won't be easy in a city like New Haven. By the way, we did reach out to Professor Santos. At this point, though, we have not yet heard back from her. Reporting live in New Haven on Yale's campus, I'm Roger Susanna, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.